Hi, and welcome to Money and Margaritas. I'm Chris.
And hi, I'm Jenny. If you're new to our channel, we are all about inspiring financial independence so that we all have the time to focus on what matters and design a life we love. So we will be covering all sorts of topics, including real estate investing, margarita recipes, how to save money, how to create cash flow, and so much more. We hope you join us.
And of course, we want to make talking about money just a little bit more fun, hence the margaritas.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi. So in today's episode, we just wanted to take a minute to talk about our why. So why did we create Money and Margaritas and this YouTube channel? So to give a little bit of background about Chris and I, we live in San Diego, love it here. We've always been interested in learning more about investing and real estate and kind of how to retire early. But what really kicked this idea into high gear for us was having kids. Once we had kids, we really kind of sat down and discussed, like, one, what example do we want to set for them? Two, what legacy do we want to leave? And three, which is obviously the most important one, is how do we want to spend our time? And how do we maximize time together, maximize time with our kids, as well as on some of the passion projects that, we're interested in.
So, in order to do that, our goal is to retire or be financially independent by the age of 40. So that means we're about 5 years away. So it's a little bit of a lofty goal to get there. But, it doesn't mean that we're looking to just quit our jobs at 40. Financial independence to us is really to be in a position at which we can choose to do the things that we want to do, both enjoying time together as a family with kids, outdoors, but also, still working, right? I mean, work is a passion. We both enjoy what we do.
So we would love to invite you to join us on this journey. Our plan is to use this channel to keep us accountable and share kind of what we're learning, whether what's working, some tips and tricks, also what doesn't work. So we are going to be brutally honest with that. So if this is something that excites you, it's definitely something that we're passionate about. We'd love to hear from you and join us on this adventure. Thank you. Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed today's video. We post new videos weekly, so if you like the content, please do subscribe.
You can also visit us at moneyandmargaritas.com. So feel free to leave feedback or new topic ideas in the comments section. Cheers.